Hello, this is Bill Paluca, your Holt McDougal HMH account executive, and I'm here today. I wanted to make a video to show you some things that make HMH Modern Chemistry stand out from the rest as far as supporting students in problem solving. So I'm going to the my.hrw.com website, and I'm entering my preview account credentials here. I'm going to click Login. Then I'm going to locate Modern Chemistry and click Online Textbook and Resources. And I'm going to go to the chapter on gases, just because I know that one pretty well. So of course you can get to the book from here, all the different resources. I'm going to click on Student Premium so you can see what students would actually have access to. So we have Learn It videos. These are videos where one of our authors, Michael Despezio, actually describes for students how to solve sample problems step by step. So students are taken through the problem, and when you can't be there as a teacher, one of our authors can be. So he's going to walk through this problem for the kids and help them to understand it. Another thing we do is we have our Solve It cards. So students will have access to these. They can see tips and tricks for solving the problem, some examples, and then they'll actually get some additional practice problems over here. More sample problems are available so that if you don't have enough in the book, we have additional ones here, of course, always editable. But the interactive demonstrations are some of the most exciting things we do for kids to help them understand the math, because we know the math can really trip kids up in chemistry. And since all kids have to take chemistry now, this is a big deal. We need to support those kids. So I'm going to take you into an example. So again, we're under problem solving and then interactive demonstrations. I'm going to go to this one here. So this is on partial pressure.
Hydrogen gas from the decomposition of water was collected by the water displacement method. The barometric pressure at the time was 760.0.
And I'm just going to let this run
the temperature was
because I'm going to show you
Celsius.
how it works.
At this temperature, the
so
water vapor pressure is 23.8 torr. Determine the partial pressure of the hydrogen collected.
So it's going to show kids
list the given and unknown values.
How to pull the values from the word problem and get those into the equation. The first big hurdle for students.
Use the correct equation. Enter the known values into the equation.
So again, the values are put into the equation, showing students where they come from very clearly.
Solve the equation, converting units as required.
Okay, now what's nice too is then kids actually work on one of their own.
Baking soda and vinegar are mixed, producing carbon dioxide gas that is collected by the water displacement method. The barometric pressure is 749 torr and the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the water vapor pressure is 21.1 torr. Determine the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide collected. Drag the given and unknown values to the blanks.
So now students are going to do what they just watched in the other one with new values and a new problem. So we're teaching kids how to move the variables out of the word problem and into an equation. And it's in a engaging way. You know, it uses technology, and this works on iPads and tablets and Chromebooks and whatever you have. So we're going to check this. Got it all right. Go to the next step.
Choose the equation that will help you solve the problem.
Then students will choose one of these equations. I taught English. So what's nice is this is going to be low stakes practice. So if they're wrong, they'll be told right away, because we don't really want them to get frustrated. We want them to learn how to do it. So we'll try the next one. Got that right.
Drag the given values to the equation.
And then we're going to do this here, this here. So even I can see, you know, H2O, H2O. So it helps kids with understanding the problem, giving them confidence.
And click submit.
And this is where I kind of get off the bus because I don't. But I just want to show you how this works. So students get a chance to view problems and to watch them being solved, and then actually practice solving them in this interactive demonstrations module here. This is just one of the large number of technology resources we have that support students, but we think that since now every student has to take chemistry, we want every student to understand the math behind the chemistry, and we think we do a wonderful job with that with all the support we provide, both in the online technology and also actually in the book. So you'll see that all of our problems are always in the same format here. So kids are going to follow the same problem-solving plan with every problem, and we're going to lay that out. It's going to be very consistent for students. So that supports them too. So thanks for listening. If you have any questions, send me an email, and have a great day. Thank you.